softly with his song.
Eco-terrorista. Tingnan mo, dalawa yung pagbigyan mo niyo, 1 for 1.5.
Ang sa'yo dalawa. I heard he sang his song.
Narinig mo na yung main version niya.
And so I came to see
Dito ko unang narinig yung main version niya.
Go, Casey Tandingan!
There he was, this young boy, stranger to my eyes, swimming away with his finger.
One time.
Seeing my life with his words.
2 times.
Give me something,
Dalawa, Betty.
give me something.
Meron pa.
With his soul,
May ilalabas pa yan!
with his touch, give me.
Imposibleng wala nang ilalabas.
Ako nga kahit wala na, pipilit ko yung labas.
May ilalabas pa yung Casey Tandingan natin.
I feel the flesh with fever, embarrassed by the crowd. I feel his unforgiveness and really swallow out.
Ako na, Betty.
I pray to be one minute, but he just kept right on, swallowing my face with his fingers,
One time.
seeing my life with his words.
2 times.
Giving me something with his soul, giving me something with his soul, telling my whole life with his words, giving me
Gusto ko mamakas.
something with his
Kasi pag namamakas
soul.
ako, naabot ko yung matataas na kanta.
He said yes, give me totoo yan. In all my darkest fear, and then he looked right through me as if I was a dead. And he just kept on singing, singing clear and strong, strumming on with his fingers,
1 time.
singing my life with his words.
Time.
Giving me something with his soul, giving me something with his soul, filling my whole life with his words.
Ito, the best version yan, Beng.
Oo nga.
With his
Kami, pahintid lang kami yan.
soul.
Di ba?
Uy, head and down.
Whoa, whoa,
Naka-yellow. Para kang hindi na doon. Longest flat. Wala nang boses yung Casey Tandingan natin.
Ang kalahati ato mo na. Marami. Yan, Tami. Dagdagan mo na lang. Pa mo na.
Pwede naman mamaya yan eh. Tapos, babalik. Pag hindi bumalik,